Hi, I'm Curt Frye, and in this movie, I would like to show you how to create something called a cohort diagram in Excel. The sample file I'm using is called cohort diagram, and I have a link for you to download it in the video description below. The data that I have is for age cohorts, and I start at the top with individuals who are 90 plus years old, and then 86 through 90, continuing on down to 0 through 5. And they are broken down by male and female, which is traditional for this kind of graph. The idea is that I want to have bars extending to the left for the men and to the right for the women. And I can do that using the data bar conditional format. So let me show you what I mean, starting with female. I will select cells C2 through C20, and then on the Home tab of the ribbon, I'll click Conditional Formatting, and I'll point to Data Bars, which is the conditional format we'll use, and then I'll go over under Solid Fill and click the light blue data bar. So there's that. And if you've ever seen a graph like this before, then you know that this is exactly 1/2 of what you expect to see. So the question is, how do you get the men or the male data bars to go from right to left? And that is a setting that you can create inside of the conditional formatting dialog box. So I will select cells B2 through B20, just the column B version of the data we used earlier in column C. Then I'll go back up to conditional format and click there. And this time I will click New Rule. The new formatting rule dialog box appears, and I'll drag it over to the side. And it is currently set for a 2-color scale, and you can see that here. What I actually want to do is use a data bar, so I'll click that from the Format Style tool. And now I can identify the color that I want to use. I'll go for orange, so I'll just go for the standard color of orange. There we are. And then I want to change the bar direction, and that is here in the bottom right-hand corner. It's currently set for context, which for me would go from left to right. However, if I click there, I can set left to right or right to left, and the bottom option, right to left, is the one that I want. So I'll click there, click OK, and you can see the data bars in the spreadsheet. So again, what I've done is I've created a cohort diagram using the data bar conditional format. Anything for female on the right is pointing away from the center going to the right, and anything for men is pointing away from the center to the left. This type of chart is very useful if you are graphing population data, and that was the intention that I had when I created this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.